favorite t-shirts from JNJ, Comfort Colors, and any other t-shirts I've gotten from Alabama or aopi. This is just some of them. Sorry, Mom. My first shirt is this one. It's aopi down in the denim t-shirt. Let me stand up. It's aopi down in the denim. It was one of our date parties. I really like the print on the back. I like the jean jacket and like the little smiley faces and roses. Super cute. This was last semester. It was a really fun date party. I'll put a picture of what I wore on the screen, but I wore like a denim jacket and I think I think I wore all black and a denim jacket, I'm pretty sure. My all-time favorite shirt is this one. It says just recruit it, and on the back it says aopi work week. This was our t-shirt for work week last year, and if you don't know what work week is, it's like the week before recruitment, so we just kind of prep in order to get ready for recruitment, and every year we get a t-shirt. This one is from last year. I love the style of it because it's a v-neck and it kind of falls off the shoulder, and it's also kind of cropped, so it looks really nice on, and this is definitely my all-time favorite. Since we were talking about work week, this was our work week shirt from this year. It says Alpha O work week. It's super cute. What we had to wear is all black. It was a lot of fun. I have some good memories from it. Then I have this t-shirt. It just says Alpha Omicron Pi, Alabama. I got a size small. I love this because it has a distressed detailing. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a distressed detailing. You can kind of see it. It just fits very nicely and it's comfortable. This was from JNJ, I want to say, but these are awesome. I have this in white also, but I think it's at home because I prefer black. If you know me, I wear black, all black, every day, all day. It's just one of those colors, you know, it makes you look skinnier, and like, it's just my color, but it is way too hot outside today. I was like, I'm not wearing all black, no thanks, but I'm wearing black shorts. This t-shirt is pretty new. I got it probably 2 weeks ago. It is the old Alabama logo. He's so cute. This is like a Japanese brand, I think. I could be wrong. I don't really know. I got this from the soup store. I think it was like $30-ish. Don't take my word for it. I don't remember. But yeah, I love this shirt. It's adorable. So here is another shirt. It is Alpha O Loves the Tide. This shirt is super cute. I like to wear it and roll up the sleeves, like cuff them, and then make a knot at the bottom of the shirt just to make it a little more girly. Here is a Comfort Colors t-shirt. This was the aopi Tacky Christmas. It's just a navy blue, and on the back it has our house that we just built and Prim. Prim is our house dog. She's the sweetest dog ever. Yeah, this was a fun date party. I have some good memories from it, and yeah. This next shirt is Out Arthritis. So, where's my other one? Oh, I know, it's at home. But this is my Out Arthritis t-shirt. This was from last fall. It just says Alpha Omicron Pi, Out Arthritis, and the date. Out Arthritis is a kickball tournament that aopi holds, and we play kickball against teams, and then we just raise money. Anyone can come. We have to sell $5 wristbands, and that's how we raise money for arthritis, and it's a fun way to do it. I personally suck at kickball, but I'm still going to play. I'm on a team this year, so I'm very excited. I don't know what the new t-shirt looks like, but I'll keep you updated. So this shirt is from Greek week of my freshman year. I'm a junior, so it was 2 years ago. I really love this print. It's yellow, and I love yellow. It's my second favorite color after pink, obviously. But this shirt is super thin and breathable. It's so cute. I love it. My next yellow shirt is this one. It's similar to the first black one I showed you. It's hard for you to see, but it says Alpha Omicron Pi, University of Alabama, yellow. I don't think I've ever worn this shirt, actually. I'll wear it tomorrow. This next shirt is a Comfort Colors t-shirt. It just says aopi, it's tie-dye, and on the back it has these little pandas. Pandas are a mascot. You know, I wish this was pink, but blue will work. We got this, I think, last year. But yeah, super comfy. I got this shirt at a trunk show at Pi Phi. It was a Greek point, and I just really liked it. I don't have anything like this. This is an American Apparel t-shirt. So it's a v-neck and then it just says SEC. I just thought it was really cute and a little different. I got it probably like a week ago. I don't know what I'm doing. The next t-shirt is the Kings of Confetti Alabama tee, black, obviously. Saban going on 18. Tell me if you are a football fan and who you go for. If you're not a Bama fan, I don't think we can be friends. That's just me. If you're an Auburn fan, I'm sorry. Just kidding. I mean, you can be an Auburn fan if you want, but I don't know why. But yeah, Kings of Confetti, Roll Tide. Here's another Alabama shirt. This is just A-Day. A-Day is our football game in the spring semester. I just thought it was funny because it says we want Bama, and like all last year, I don't know if you keep up with football, but all last year people were saying we want Bama. There was LSU and Auburn and every single game we played, and they lost. Everyone lost. So it's like, yeah, you want Bama, but you're gonna lose. But yeah, I didn't end up going to A-Day, but I thought this shirt was really funny, so I needed it. Here is my Comfort Colors formal t-shirt. I really liked the design on it. It was a skull and formal. I had a lot of fun. I love formal and semi-formal. Those are my favorite day parties. Here is our aopi Goes Green t-shirt. We go green for arthritis for a week in the spring semester. It was our philanthropy day t-shirts, but they're super cute. They're also American Apparel. No, they're not. I don't know what they are, but it has a v-neck and it fits very nicely. We wore these with white skirts. I'll put a picture somewhere up here. Here is our Bidet shirt from 2016. I really liked the pink, obviously, and I really liked the blue on it. The design is pretty cool. I wore this a ton my freshman year. This is a size large, so these are like one of my sleeping shirts. Or some girls wear large t-shirts out, but I don't personally like to. I like to wear smaller, more fitted shirts because I'm kind of small. So yeah, this is one of my all-time favorites. The next shirt, which is I wore a ton the past 2 years, and I get a lot of wear out of it. This is just a long sleeve t-shirt. It says Rammer Jammer Yellow Hammer in the back, which is our slogan thing. This one is our Bidet shirt. I really liked this one because it has a Beetle on the back, and I have a Volkswagen Beetle, so it was like extra special to me. Mine is a white convertible, even though this one's blue. Like, I still thought it was really cute, and that's why I bought it. But it's so cute. I love it. And my last shirt for now is the aopi like house shirt. I love this one. It's just white with blue, and this is the old house. If you didn't know, when I went through recruitment, I went through the old aopi house, but they tore it down right after bid day. We had a swing house, a temporary house, for 2 years, and now we are in here, and I am so lucky to live here. Thumbs up the video if you want to see a aopi house tour. I'll throw some pictures in here and show you what the house looks like on the inside. I could totally do a video, and I can show you my room. I have a lot of space, more than you would think. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching. Bye!